Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are going to solve this given quadratic equation by completing the square. So there are a couple of steps to keep in mind. Step number 1, the coefficient of x square must be equal to 1. So in this case, the coefficient is 5. So we are going to divide this whole equation with 5. So this is equal to x square plus 4 over 5 x minus 2 over 5 equal to 0. Step number 2, move the constant term to other side of this equation. Move the constant term. So this is x square plus 4 over 5 x equal to 2 over 5. So just move the constant term to other side of this equation. Mark this equation number 1. Now step number 3, take the coefficient of x. Take the coefficient of x, which is 4 over 5. Step number 4, half it. So 4 over 5 multiply with 1 over 2. This is equal to 4 over 10. This is further equal to 2 over 5. Step number 5, square it. So this is 2 over 5 square. Step number 6, add it to both sides of equation number 1. So this equation, so this is x square plus 4 over 5 x plus 2 over 5 square equal to 2 over 5 plus 2 over 5 square. So this is our perfect square. So this is x plus 2 over 5 square. When you open this square, you will get this answer. This is equal to 2 over 5 plus 4 over 25. Just open this square. So solve whatever on right hand side by adding the two fractions. So this is x plus 2 over 5 square equal to, taking the 25 LCM, divide the LCM with 5, we will get 5 answer. Multiply the answer with 2, so 5 times 2 is 10, plus divide the LCM with 25, we get 1 answer. Multiply the answer with 4, so 10 plus 4, so this is x plus 2 over 5 square equal to 14 over 25. So we would like to calculate the value of x. So we will square root on both sides to cancel this square. So square root on left hand side and square root on right hand side with plus minus. So this square and this square root will eliminate. So we will get x plus 2 over 5 equal to plus minus 14 over 25 square root. So shift this 2 over 5 on this side. So this is further equal to x is equal to minus 2 over 5 plus minus 14 over 25 under root. So this is further equal to minus 2 over 5 plus minus 14 under root over 25 under root is 5. So this is x is equal to, take the 5 LCM. So we will get minus 2 plus minus 14 under root. So considering the positive sign first, so this is x equal to minus 2 plus 14 under root over 5. So x is equal to 0.348. So this is my first answer. Now considering the negative sign, so x is equal to minus 2 minus 14 under root over 5. So x is equal to minus 1.148. So this is my second answer. This is answer number 1 and this is answer number 2. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.